What's up friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your images into videos using Grok Imagine. So all you have to do is once you sign into Grok AI, go ahead and look on the left hand side, you will find Imagine. You click on that, and from here you want to go ahead and attach your pictures. So here you can see on the right hand side that you have videos as well. You can also select the sizing and the aspect ratio as well from here, but attach your image by simply clicking on the clip, click on upload, and you want to go ahead and find the video that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and find a video right here of of a kid. So I'm going to go ahead and select this kit right here, click and open. And from here, you can go ahead and basically start to write your prompt, whatever you want. But as you can see, immediately when you add your image, it's going to start generate a video for you. And so it only takes a couple of seconds for it to generate a video. And you will see how cool and how easy it is. So let's just wait for this to done. And you're gonna see it. Look at that. How cool is that? It's really crazy, right? So that's really cool, guys. That's how you can turn images into videos. And of course, you can also write prompt of what you want. So let's say I don't want a kid to smile, but I want the kid to cry, right? I can go ahead and say cry, or let's say make the baby cry. Then go ahead and use the AI to play it. It's going to basically generate it for me. And as you can see, it's generating really fast right there. And this is super easy to do, guys. So let's go ahead and wait a couple of seconds for this to complete the generation. If you want to mute the audio, you can click on that to mute it. And so it doesn't affect you as well while the generation is going on. And have a look at that, guys. How cool is that? The baby is crying and it's also going to have tears coming out of his eyes. That's super cool, right? And that's all there is to it, guys. Go ahead and check this out. Go ahead and try out Grok Imagine and start creating your videos from your amazing photos.